Welcome. Today is Tuesday, April 21st. We are on week 4 of our e-learning, and it is double displacement week, also called net ionic exchange reaction week. It is our final week of Unit 8. It's hard to believe through e-learning that we've gobbled up Unit 8 and all that is in it. It is one of our most important units of the entire year. We've been studying types of chemical reactions, balancing chemical reactions. And this week we finish up with double displacement reactions. Yesterday you did an assessment on last week's material, oxidation reduction reactions 8-19. Be sure if you have any questions that you watch the help videos. And if the help videos don't help, be sure you email me questions. We can set up meets. We can communicate through email. We can do extra help videos, whatever you need to understand it. But when you miss things, if you don't understand them, be sure to ask. Be sure to take advantage of the help videos. Speaking of videos, today we jump into double displacement reaction week with 8-25 videos. Complete the handout that goes along with it, and when you're finished, you'll submit it. Looking ahead, tomorrow we'll do some practice problems with double displacement reactions, and then Thursday and Friday of this week, we have our 2-day double displacement, also called net ionic exchange, featuring precipitation reactions Thursday and Friday of this week. Remember, there's bonus opportunity out there. Yesterday we had bonus 821, which was a college prep and a video, a very timely video that you could watch. We also had a video where you could receive points for watching some awesome, cool reactions. That was 8-22. That was due yesterday. If you didn't get 21 or 22 done, you can still submit those later this week. Those are open-ended. Then this weekend, upcoming weekend, there's a bonus opportunity with 8-24, balancing some challenging chemical reactions. You can do that over the weekend, or you can really start working on it whenever you have time. Have a fantastic day. Let's enjoy double displacement net ion exchange week. Doesn't get any better than this. Our last reaction type for Unit 8.